Good morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you estimation of addition and estimation of subtraction. I hope all of you have copied the previous notes from description. Children, today I will teach you estimation of multiplication and estimation of division. Children, once again I recall you the rule of the estimation. First is the estimation nearest 10. First one is the nearest 10. How to find the estimate the number nearest 10. Second one is the nearest rounding of the nearest 100, and third one is the nearest 1000. I explain you that in case of tens you have to check the value once and compare with 5, and in case of 100 we have to check the value tens and compares with 5, and in case of 1000 we have to check the values of 100 and compares with 5. Means we have to compare with the 5 and see if the number is greater than 5 or equal 5, then we have to give the one more to the left side digit number. Okay, and in case of if the number is less than 5, then no need to give any more marks to the next number. Simply we will write, and after numbers, after what is given, that we have to put the 0. Okay, now we have to find the estimation of multiplication of the given number. I will take one question from your book. First question is 23 multiply 58, and you have to find out the estimated product and actual product by rounding off to their nearest 10. Rounding off to nearest 10. So what is the first work? First work, we have to find the estimated number of the given number. Okay, estimated value of 23. What is the estimated value of 23? We have to check the nearest 10. In that time, what I told you, you have to see the compare the ones digit number with 5, and this number is 3, and 3 is less than 5. So no need to give any more marks here. It will be the as it is, we have to write 2 and here 0. Now next number is the 58. So what is the estimated value? Estimated value of 58. See, compare the number. One's digit number is 8, and 8 is greater than 5. So what we have to do? Plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6, and this one will be 0. Now in question you have to find the estimated multiplication, and also you have to find the actual multiplication. The first is estimated multiplication. Okay, what is the estimated value of 23? 20. And what is the estimated value of 58? 60. Write down. I hope all of you know how to multiply the number. First, we have to start from here, right side. 0 multiply 0. If you multiply 0 to any number, and it will be 0. 0 zeros are 0. Then 0 multiply 2. It will be also 0. And after that, we have to multiply with 6. Then first you do like that. First number, the down you put the cross, and after then multiply it. 6 zeros are 0 and 6 twos are 12. Okay, then it will be 0, add the number 0, 2, 1. This one is the 1200, and afterwards what we have to do? Actual sum we have to find. So in that times we have, actual multiplication we have to find. Okay, now see here. actual multiplication. Actual multiplication. So what is the actual number given there? 23 and 58. That is actual number is given there. So multiply this number. Actual multiplication is here 8. You have to read table of 8. How many times? 3 times. 8 3s are 24. Write here 4 and 2 is carry here. And then again you read 8 table 2 times. 8 2s are 16 and 2 carry 18. Okay. Then put the cross here. 5 3s are 15. 5 and 1 is carry here. Read the table 5. How many times? 2 times. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. Then add the number 4, 8, 5, 13, 3, 1 is carry here, 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be the 3 and then it will be the 1. Okay. That is your actual multiplication and this one is the estimated multiplication. This one is the estimated multiplication. Estimated multiplication. Okay, this one is the estimated multiplication and this one is the actual multiplication. Now, second one is the find the outer estimated product and actual product by rounding up to their nearest 100. Second question is find the estimation of multiplication nearest 100. Nearest 100. And what is question here? Example is here. Number is 513156. 513 multiply 136. Students, we have to find out the estimated product and also we have to find out the actual product. For finding the estimated product, first we have to find the estimated number of the given number. So for that, what we have to do? Write down estimated value of 513 is what? Nearest 100. Then what we have to check? Tens is 1 and 1 is less than 5. So no need to give any more marks there, more number there. So we write 5 as it is and here 0 0. Means round up when we will do the estimated value of 513 is 500. Next one, estimated value of 136. Which one we have to come see? Tens value. And tens value is here 3 and 3 is less than 5. So we have to write 1 and 0 0. Now this one is the first step. Second step, in second step we have to find the estimated multiplication. Estimated multiplication. Write the estimated values here. What is the estimated values? 500 and next one is the 100. Multiply 0 0 is 0 0 0 0 0 5 is 0. Again it will be 0 0 0 0 0 is 0 0 5 is 0. Again it will be the 1 0 is 0 1 0 is 0 and 1 5 is 1. Students, if we will multiply any numbers with 0, it will be 0, and if we multiply any number with 1, same number will be come. Okay, now next one is the add the number. This one is the 0 0 plus 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and this one will be the 5. That means 50,000. Now next one is the, now what we have to do? Actual multiplication. Next one, actual multiplication. Actual multiplication. Next one is the actual multiplication. In actual, for finding the actual multiplication, we have to write the actual number. What is the actual number there? 513 multiply 136. Here, three digit multiplication is given. So what we have to do? First we have to multiply with the ones digit 6 with these three numbers, and after then we have to multiply with 3, and after that we have to multiply with 1. So let's start. 6. And how many times you have to read the table of 6? How many times? 3 times. 6 threes are 18. So write 8 and 1 is carry here. Okay? 1 is carry. Then again you read 6 ones are 6 and 1 is carry there. So 7 and 6 fives are 30. Then after multiplying with first number, in the down, here we have to put the first cross, and after then start the second digit. Here 3. To read the table of 3, how many times? 3 times. 3 threes are 9, and this one 3 ones are 3, and 3 fives are 15. So write 15. Now again we have to multiply with this one. So first we put the cross here, and afterwards read the table of 1. How many times? 3 times. 1 threes are 3, 1 ones are 1, and 1 fives are 5. And afterwards add all the number together. Okay, this one is a 8, 7 or 9. Add the number. This one will be the 16. Okay, so 1 is 6 we will write here, and 1 is carry here. Then 1 plus 3 4 plus 3 7, and here 5 3 plus 5 8 plus 1 9, and this one is a 5 plus 1 6. Means this one is the answer. Actual multiplication is 69,768, and that is the estimated multiplication 50,000. Okay. In multiplication, in product, for finding the product, only two type of questions given in your book. Find out the estimated product and actual product by rounding off to their nearest 10, and second one is the find out the estimated product and actual product by rounding off to their nearest 100. Okay. Now fourth topic is estimation of division. Estimation of division. Children, in estimation of division, only one type of question is given, nearest 10. We have to find out the number rounding off nearest 10, and after then you have to find the estimated division, and as well as actual division also we have to find. Estimation. Fourth topic is estimation of division. Estimation of division. Okay. Estimation of division, and only one topic is here, nearest 10. We have to do the estimation of division nearest 10. First one is the one question I will take from your book. First number is given 62 divide 26. In estimation of division, also we have to follow the same rule. First, find out the estimated value of the given number. The estimated value of given number 62. In case of tens, we have to check the values of ones. Here 2 is less than 5, so it will be 60. Now next one is the estimated value of given number 26. 6 is greater than 5, so it will be the plus 1 here, and it will be the 30. Now you have to find the estimated division. Estimated division. In place of the number, you write the estimated value 62. What we will write? 60 division 30. So as you know how to divide the number, here we will write 30, that is here, and we have to write the 60. Read the table 30. If you don't know the multiply with 1 or 2 and see it how many times it will be. 31 are 30, 32 are 60. Remainder will be 0, 0. Okay. Afterwards, you have to find the actual division. Actual division. Here estimated division. Actual division of given number 62 divide 26. So we write here 62 divide 26. Then write here 26 and read the table of 26. So if you don't know the table of 26, simply in the rough paper you multiply with 1, 2, 3 like that and see how many times it will be 62. Always be remember it number should be less than 62 or equal 62. Then 26 1 ja 26, 26 2 ja 52. So here we will write 52 and then it will be the 2 minus 2 is 0, 6 minus 5 is 1. So now this one is the estimated division and this one is the actual division. Children, now this chapter number system is completed in 4 parts. All the solution of this chapter is given in respective videos description. So from there you have to complete your notes and do regular practice of this chapter.